Myself, Ashok Kumar, Head Department of Zoology, Ganga Singh College, Chhapra, running under JP University, Chhapra, Bihar. Today I am going to deal with the viral diseases in prawn. As prawn and prawns preparation is highly demanded in foreign countries in value-added products. So this is very much important, and a good GDP or a good foreign exchange is procured to our country from this Penaeus monodon and other prawns. Out of 14, as I had already explained, that out of 14, only 3 species of only 3 types of viruses have been encountered for diseases in shellfish or prawns. These are monodon type baculovirus disease, yellow head disease, and lastly the white spot disease. These 3 types of diseases: monodon type disease, monodon baculovirus disease, monodon type baculovirus disease, or it is also called MBVD, monodon type baculovirus disease. And the second is yellow head disease, YHD, yellow head disease, and then white spot disease. Now, monodon type baculovirus disease. This disease is found. This disease is caused in the post larvae as well as new adults, post larvae and new adults of Penaeus monodon. It has been reported by Ramaswamy et al. In the year 1995. External symptoms of monodon type baculovirus disease. External symptoms: the affected shrimps become lethargic and come to the surface or sides of the pond. Fouling organisms that infest the shrimp. It began in 1995. External symptoms are they are lethargic, come on the surface as well as on the sides of the pond, and fouling organisms, they infest the shrimps. The species affected: Penaeus monodon, neo adult, post larvae and neo adult. Now, effect on host. There is a necrosis, means decaying of hepatopancreatic tubules. Necrosis of hepatopancreatic tubules leading to dysfunction of the organ. Hepatopancreatic pancreas do not work, and the virus forms prominent eosinophilic mass. Eosinophilic mass means acid dye colored, which can be colored by acid dye, and multiple round bodies within hypertrophied nuclei of hepatopancreas. The cells which constitute the hepatopancreas, in those cells the nucleus becomes hypertrophied, large sized, and in hepatopancreatic tubules and midgut epithelium cells. So it has been reported by Leitner in the year 1988. causative agent of MDVD, monodont type baculovirus disease. Monodont baculovirus disease, what are the causative disease? So, four factors. First is poor condition of the water of the pond or poor pond environment. Second is overstocking beyond the carrying capacity, overstocking of Penaeus monodon. This is the second factor. Third factor is secondary bacterial infection, including the Vibrio bacteria, and fourth is the infestation by fouling organisms. They reduces the resistance of the host, that is Penaeus monodon, post larvae and new adults, and render prawns susceptible to viral infection. Leitner, it has been reported by Leitner et al. In the year 1993. So this is here one thing here, necrosis of hepatopancreas takes place, and multiple rounded eosinophilic bodies are found in the hepatopancreatic cells, in the lumen of the hepatopancreatic tubules and the midgut epithelium cells. These rounded bodies are found, and they are eosinophilic rounded bodies. So this is all about the monodont type baculovirus disease. Now second is yellow head disease. The monodont type occurs in the post-larvae and new adults, while this yellow head disease, it is found in the adults of Penaeus monodon. Hence, especially affected are the Penaeus monodon adult. External symptom of this, the affected prawns, as its name indicates, it is yellow head disease. So the affected prawn exhibit light yellow to pinkish color in the cephalothorax due to the discoloration of the hepatopancreatic tissues or tubules. The hepatopancreatic tubules becomes light yellow to pinkish colored. So light yellow due to yellow presence of yellow colored hepatopancreas, and this is called yellow head disease. Here the effect on host is that they become lethargic, off-fed, they stop feeding, off-fed, and so reddish discoloration of the body and appendages with empty gut. As they stop feeding, so they remain with empty gut, and it so reddish discoloration of the body and appendages with no they stop feeding, so empty gut. Effect on host. The hepatopancreas of affected prawns show degeneration, but hepatopancreas of the adult prawns shows degeneration. Necrosis of tubules and hemocytic tubules, hepatopancreatic tubules. So necrosis of hepatopancreatic tubules as well as and hemocytic infiltration occurs. So due to necrosis of tubules, large densely now necrosis occurs. Here in this case, as in the previous case, there was also a large spherical body, eosinophilic body was found. Here basophilic body, large basophilic bodies are found in the interstitial cells, in the intracellular spaces, in the intracellular spaces, in the interstitial cells, in the intracellular spaces, in the tubular lumen, necrosed in the necrosed area and in the gill lamellae. These large, densely strained basophilic bodies are found in the interstitial cells, in the intracellular spaces, in tubular lumen and necrosed areas as well as in gill lamellae. The bodies are the yellowish body, the yellow color, or these bodies are suggestive of the yellow YHD disease, yellow head disease. So this is causative agent is here. In the previous monodon baculotype viral disease, it was deoxyribovirus, monodon type baculovirus, that was deoxyribovirus, while here it is ribovirus. So it is yellow head disease, causative agent is yellow head disease virus. It is a RNA virus of rhabdovirus group, It has been environmental factors, such as poor water quality, poor pond bottom. These poor water quality, poor pond bottom, these trigger the outbreak of disease. Poor pond water quality as well as poor bottom, these trigger the outbreak of the disease and leading to mass mortality. It has been reported by Misra in the year 1996. This has been reported by Misra that environmental factors such as poor water quality as well as poor pond bottom, they are responsible for the outbreak of the yellowhead disease. Now third is white spot disease. This one is deoxyribovirus. So here white spot disease, it is especially affected are Penaeus monodon. Penaeus monodon means adult of Penaeus monodon. This white scale spot disease, it is also known as same BV. So white scale WSD means white scale spot disease, and external symptoms are prawns become lethargic, stop feeding with empty gut, development of white spots on the carapace, over the white spots of various sizes. It is small, it may be large, it may be medium. So various sizes white spots occur prominently seen on the carapace. Firstly, it appears on the carapace. Now only in the carapace region, over the carapace, different types of white spot diseases are found, and after carapace, this virus infects the last segment of the abdomen, and so in the beginning it it invades the carapace, and then in the last moment, and after carapace, it infects the last segment of the abdomen. Later on, it spreads over the whole body, and hence now what are the effects on host? The target tissue for the virus are thought to be, it is all thought to be epidermal, hypodermal, epidermal, and epithelial cells, hematopoietic tissues, connective tissues, hemocytes, lymphoid organs, and adrenal gland. So it is hypodermal. Viruses are thought to be the target tissue. It is the target tissue, hypodermal, epidermal, hypodermal, epidermal, epithelial cells, hematopoietic tissues, connective tissues, hemocytes, lymphoid organs, and adrenal glands. The non-targeted tissues are here. No, it does not affect the hepatopancreas. Hence, this is as in the previously mentioned two diseases, hepatopancreas was affected, but here non-targeted tissues are hepatopancreatic hepatopancreas, epithelial cells of midgut, muscular cells, and parenchymal cells of gonads. It is invaded by the virus not in the hepatopancreas or epithelial cells of midgut or muscular cells, but it is found in the epidermal, hypodermal, hemocytes, hematopoietic tissues, connective tissues. They are not in the and adrenal gland, not in the hepatopancreatic epithelial cells of midgut, muscular cells, and parenchymal cells of gonads. At the early stage of infection, eosinophilic intracellular inclusions inside the cell, intracellular eosinophilic acidic dye, colored with acidic dye. So in the early stage of infection, eosinophilic intranuclear inclusion bodies are seen in the infected cells. So first it is in the beginning eosinophilic intracellular inclusion bodies are seen in the infected. Hypertrophy, necrosis, degeneration, and presence of basophilic body. Hypertrophy, necrosis, degeneration, and presence of basophilic bodies are noted in the later stage of the disease, later stage of the infection. It has been reported by Leitner in the year 1995. Causative agent, its causative agent is the virus, white scale baculovirus disease. So it is also baculovirus disease. In this disease, this is white spot disease. It is called also white spot disease virus. It causes white spot disease. WSDV, white spot disease virus, causes white spot disease. It is also known as SEMBV. SEMBV means it means systemic, systemic ectodermal mesodermal baculovirus disease. Hence it is SEMBV. SEM means systemic ectodermal and mesodermal baculovirus. It has been its name. It is suspected that virus might have been transmitted in the Indian coast. It has been transmitted from other affected countries, and it has been transmitted to the Indian coast and through the mode of coastal region. Although the mode of transmission is debated. Mishra in 1996. The source of virus has been pointed out to be from the crabs. The crabs are the real carrier of this disease, same BB disease, and so it has been crabs where it inhabits. In crab it inhabits, and crabs are thought to act as carriers. It has also been reported by Leitner in the year 1995. So Leitner has reported, Mishra has reported, in this case, treatment measures for viral diseases in prawn. First is chemical. Viral diseases in general are difficult to treat. Why? Normally viruses are the inert particles, and it enters the body of the host Penis monodon. So normally these viruses use the host cell. They come in the host cell. There they get protoplasmic constituents, energy, suitable environment for living, and suitable environment for reproduction. So they get in the host cell their growth and reproduction. Hence, any chemical or drug selected for killing adversely killing the prawns may adversely kill the host cell. So, though some antiviral drugs have been found effective against a number of viral diseases, though some antiviral drugs have been found effective against a number of viral diseases of animals, in vitro and laboratory animals, but their use is restricted due to cell cytotoxicity. There is one disease that is LJ001.